Qualification match number 16 on the field. The first score on the Red Alliance. We've got 2 coral on level 4. Meanwhile, on blue, 1 on level 4. We've got algae on the ground. We have 1 robot moving on blue. All 3 moving on red, entering the tele-operated period. Red takes the lead, 37 to blue's 13. Red pulls away with that autonomous ranking point. Blue, unfortunately, does not, as Byron did not move off of that starting line. 2 minutes 5 on the clock here. 10:76, that's Pi. High Samurai has an algae. They slam it into that net. Meanwhile, on blue, 9312 puts a purple coral on level 4. B-roll with a regular coral lining up. They have, it appears to be a hat on the ground, running it over. Byron Robotics, over by their coral station, gets a regular coral. They race over to their reef. We'll see what they can do with it. 201, a little tall on the field. And a penalty called on red. The feds racing over, trying to pull off an algae. They grab it, and it's off of that reef. Meanwhile, B-roll now over on the red side of the field, playing some defense with a coral in hand. 201 lining up, trying to put another algae in their net, and they do. 1596, that's the instigators, are on that red side. They're at the coral station. They have a coral. They're lining up. 1076 makes their way over to the blue side, now playing some defense, drawing a penalty as the Nerd Spark team, that's 9312, tries to place a orange coral, but touches 1076. They are still playing some heavy defense here on 9312. 5641 grabs an algae off the ground. They're racing over, seeing what they can do. They're going to that processor. 9312 rushing over, and a slam into the wall. A blue coral goes flying, and 9312 falls onto the ground trying to score, caught up on an algae. We'll see if they can get back up in the air. 1076 trying to grab an algae. 27 seconds left. We're rushing through this match. Red slams into that cage. That's 1076. It's slamming around. Byron puts an algae in the processor. 1076 grabbing an algae. Meanwhile, their partners at the coral station, 10 seconds left. B-roll lines up to climb. Byron lines up to climb. 1076 puts one in the net. 7 seconds left. We've got 2 parks. We have a climb from B-roll, and they're still touching the ground as our match comes to an end. That rounds out qualification match number 16. We'll have your scores in a jiffy. And it looks like our referees are in a huddle. Some heavy deliberation. The rule book is out. We're going to see what happens here. We have a yellow card in play awarded to Team 1076 for G409 excessive control of multiple game pieces. Again, a yellow card to 1076 for G409. And with that, we have our scores for match number 16. This one is a close one. A tie, in fact. What a match. Our first tie of the event. 1 ranking point awarded to blue, 2 to red as